Tie-dye shirts are a great way to add a little bit of color to any design. And you might be asking yourself, that's great, but how exactly do I decorate tie-dye? This is Andy Curtis with Transfer Express, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about. To my left, you see a couple examples of some decorated tie-dye shirts, and you'll see some things in common. When you decorate tie-dye, the first question often is, can I safely put a transfer on a tie-dye shirt without it bleeding? The answer is yes. Tie-dye will not bleed into the transfer at all. You'll notice that on our Spider Black and our Spider Blue shirts here, we don't have any dye migration happening into the white ink whatsoever. And then of course the next question is, well, what color is best to put on tie-dye? Our favorite answer to this question is white ink. Goof-proof white ink, actually. The reason for this is that tie-dye tends to have a lot of colors happening. Even if you're using a monochrome tie-dye like these two here, where it's just blue dye or just black dye, white offers you good contrast to any of the colors that might be present. If you try to apply different colors, yellows, reds, blues onto tie-dye, you run the risk of colors blending into one another, and then your design doesn't stand out, and why bother at that point? Let me show you how easy it is to apply a goof-proof white transfer to a tie-dye garment. Alright, so we're going to load our tie-dye shirt up onto the press. Now, if you're looking for tie-dye garments, Transfer Express is now selling tie-dye through its Transfer Express apparel line, so you can get tie-dye garments there. Pre-press this. You can also use home tie-dye kits that you can purchase at just about any craft store. And the home tie-dye kits produce legitimately tie-dyed garments that you decorate the exact same way. You don't have to do anything different. So I'm just making sure I got everything all lined up here, using my armpits of the shirt as an example, as a centering point here. Alright. Now we're going to lock it down. Again, that goof proof is 365 for 4, and it's a hot peel. And there we have it. And here's our completed tie-dye garment. Like we said at the beginning, no matter what tie-dye garment you may have used, the dye will not bleed into the ink. So get out there and be creative. This has been Andy Curtis with Transfer Express. Thanks for watching.